Simplify this nested exponent. Here is 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 equals to 32 to the power x. So we know x to the power y to the power z, it means x to the power y z. So this one will be 2 to the power 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 equals to, here is 32, it should be 2 to the power 5 and here is x. Now 2 to the power, here is 4 4 4, all once we multiply it will become 2 to the power 256, right? And here 2 to the power 5x. Now base are same, so 256 equals to 5x. Now we will divide both sides by 5, so x equals to 256 by 5 and our answer is 51.2. Okay, thank you.